Today is 24 October 2023 and little kids are making Ravan using the boxes from online home delivery, mainly from Amazon or Flipkart, Myntra and that sort, and they are making good use of the boxes. And this is Shanaya. Shanaya, you want to tell anything about this Eve? Why you are making and what you are making?
I am making a ravan for burning it on night.
Why? Why Ravan is burnt on the auspicious day of the Shahra? Do you know?
Yes, because when राम ने दशहरा पे रावण का वध किया था तो उसे आग वाली तीर से मारते इसलिए दशहरा पे रावण को जलाया.
And this is Samrat, little brother of Shanaya, and they are Samayra and Shaira, little sisters of Shanaya. Samayra, look here.
रावण की फोटो खींचिए.
Okay.